All right, those were just my Neapolitan ice cream sandwiches that we laid in our 9x13. Now I'm coming in with my Cool Whip Original, and we have the large one, and we're gonna use half of this right on top of our ice cream sandwiches. This is the summer dessert of the lifetime. I absolutely love this. I've made it for different occasions with different flavors of ice cream sandwiches, but I think this one is gonna be my new favorite. So we're just gonna go ahead and spread that Cool Whip in a thin layer on top of those ice cream sandwiches, making sure that they are fully covered. Now you can do your own homemade whip topping if you prefer, but this is how I like to do it. All right, I think that looks absolutely perfect. It's a little chunky because I didn't let it thaw fully, but now we're coming in with the best part. We have our bananas, and we're just gonna slide those right on top of our Cool Whip, just like so. Ooh, that one got flipped, but that's okay. Beautiful. And of course, this is missing more chocolate, so we are gonna drizzle on our chocolate syrup if I can get it open, and we're gonna just do a nice drizzle on top of those bananas. Oh, I love bananas. I love chocolate. I love ice cream. I love everything going into this. This is gonna be amazing. This is a take on a classic, and it needs to have strawberry syrup. This one comes out a lot faster, so I'm gonna be a little bit more careful with it, but we are gonna do a drizzle of strawberry syrup right on top of those bananas. Ooh, this is gonna be so good. That looks absolutely perfect. And we want this dessert to be stacked, so I'm gonna come in with another layer of our ice cream sandwiches. I did have to buy 2 packages of those ice cream sandwiches, but this is gonna be so worth it because it's gonna feed so many people and it's gonna be a crowd pleaser. So we are just placing our second layer right on top of those bananas and smushing it down. Okay, so this is bigger than the half that I already made, so I'm just gonna make a well-sized piece right there, but that looks perfect. Okay, we're coming back in with our Cool Whip, and we're gonna do another layer right on top of those ice cream sandwiches. So let's get this done super quick. All right, we did it. We got that layer all spread out. Now it is time to bring back our chocolate syrup, and we're gonna do a drizzle again so that we can cover up any of that mistakes. We're gonna do a little less this time. And then of course we have our strawberry one more time, and you can adjust this to your liking. Oh, I hate this strawberry syrup. I don't know why it does that to me. It's trying to sabotage.
So thin.
Yeah. And this is a banana split inspired dessert, so we have to have our cherries here, and we've got the stemless ones, and we're just gonna toss them into our Cool Whip. You gotta have some nuts on your banana split. I'm using chopped pecans because I love them, but you can use whatever nut you like, a peanut, a walnut, a whatever nut, a pine nut. Now the last thing this is missing is some sprinkles, and I got the one that's free from dyes, so it's a little bit healthier, and we're just putting that right on top. And look, it totally looks like a banana split now. This is gonna be so good. Kids love this, adults love this. It is perfect for these hot days coming. It is 80 today, so I cannot wait to dig into this. I'm gonna put this in the freezer for about 3 hours to make sure it solidifies. Woo! It is ice cream time. I am so excited to dig into this. We had this in the freezer for about 2 to 3 hours, but we're ready to dig into this. Talk about perfect. Ooh, I am so excited. Oh, it's still a little gooey. Oh my goodness. That's not gonna stop me.
This is good.
Oh my goodness. I shouldn't have made this. It is so good. You guys have to try it.